First impressions matter, and the technospark 20 doesn't disappoint. It boasts a sleek and modern design with rounded edges and a glossy finish. The build quality feels solid in hand, offering a premium feel despite its budget-friendly price tag. Moving on to the display, the technospark 20 sports a 6.8-inch IPS LCD panel with a resolution of 720 x 1640 pixels. While it's not the sharpest display out there, colors are vibrant, and viewing angles are decent, making it suitable for multimedia consumption and casual gaming. Now let's talk about the camera setup. The technospark 20 features a triple camera setup on the rear, including a 48-megapixel primary sensor, a 2-megapixel depth sensor, and an AI lens. On the front, there's an 8-megapixel selfie camera housed within a water drop notch. The cameras perform admirably in well-lit conditions, capturing detailed shots with accurate colors. However, low-light performance could be better, with some noticeable noise creeping in. Under the hood, the technospark 20 is powered by a MediaTek Helio G85 chipset paired with 4 GB of multitasking is handled well, although you might experience some slowdowns with intensive apps or games. One of the highlights of the technospark 20 is its massive 6000 mAh battery. This powerhouse ensures excellent battery life, easily lasting a full day or more on a single charge, even with heavy usage. Plus, with support for 18W fast charging, you can juice up the battery in no time whenever needed. In terms of storage, the technospark 20 comes with 64 GB of internal storage, which should be sufficient for most users. If you need more space, you can expand it further using a microSD card. In addition to the usual array of sensors like accelerometer and proximity sensor, the technospark 20 also includes a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for secure unlocking. Other notable features include face unlock, dual SIM support, and FM radio. The